Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Cinematic intro with shots of the Huawei Maestro S800 driving along a scenic road, showcasing its sleek design and dynamic performance. Background music fades in. Voiceover. Meet the all-new 2025 Huawei Maestro S800, a revolutionary electric SUV that redefines luxury, technology, and performance. Join us as we dive into its exterior design, interior innovations, cutting-edge performance, and our final verdict. Scene 1. Exterior. Camera pans over the car's exterior from multiple angles: side profile, front grille, LED lights, wheels, and rear. Voiceover. The first thing you'll notice about the Huawei Maestro S800 is its futuristic and aerodynamic design. At the front, we have a bold digital grille featuring integrated LED patterns that change based on driving modes, an eye-catching feature both day and night. Flanking the grille are laser-sharp matrix LED headlights, offering superior visibility. The side profile is sleek yet muscular, with flush door handles and a seamless body line that screams elegance. Huawei has equipped the S800 with 22-inch turbine-inspired alloy wheels, optimized for both aesthetics and aerodynamics. At the rear, the full-width OLED-to-light strip is a masterpiece, complete with customizable light animations. And don't miss the dynamic spoiler that adjusts automatically for better aerodynamics and stability. Scene 2. Interior. Switch to interior shots. Panoramic view of the dashboard, seats, steering wheel, and infotainment system. Voiceover. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's not just luxurious but also ultra-smart. The 2025 Maestro S800 boasts a 48-inch seamless OLED display spanning the dashboard. It integrates the infotainment, driver display, and passenger entertainment system. Huawei's AI-powered HarmonyOS ensures everything is connected, from your smartphone to the car's navigation. The seats are wrapped in eco-friendly vegan leather, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions. And the ambient lighting, fully customizable with over 64 color options, synced to your driving mood. In terms of space, the S800 is a true family SUV, with a roomy interior, fold-flat rear seats, and a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light. But that's not all. There's also a 7.2-inch rear touchscreen for passengers to control climate and media. Scene 3. Performance. Footage of the Maestro S800 accelerating, cornering, and cruising in various conditions. Voiceover. Under the hood, or should we say the floor, the Huawei Maestro S800 is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering a whopping 600 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. This enables a 0 to 60 mph sprint in just 3.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. Huawei's proprietary LiDAR-based DriveSense 3.0 offers advanced autonomous driving capabilities, ensuring safety and convenience in city and highway settings. The 120 kWh solid-state battery offers an impressive range of 450 miles on a single charge. And with ultra-fast 350 kilowatts charging, you can recharge up to 80% in just 20 minutes. Scene 4. Conclusion. Shots of the S800 parked in a picturesque location, with the sun setting in the background. Voiceover. The 2025 Huawei Maestro S800 is more than just an electric SUV, it's a statement of innovation, luxury, and performance. From its stunning design to its intelligent tech and blistering performance, it's clear Huawei is setting new benchmarks in the EV world. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a luxury lover, or simply looking for a sustainable yet powerful ride, the Maestro S800 checks all the boxes. What do you think of Huawei's latest masterpiece? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Outro with logo animation and subscribe, CTA on screen.